I'm watching some videos from Marzia. Okay. So, hey guys. It's 4:41 in the morning. Hi, Ma! Hi. Ito yun, guys. Pag tinatapat ko sa kanya yung camera, ganyan yung boses niya. Pero pag nag-uusap kami, iba yung boses niya. Without camera, ha. And I'm watching Cutie Pie Marzia. Tapos may papakita ko sa inyo. And what does this bread look like? Tell me. Tell me in the comment section. I'm gonna pause. You can pause and then comment, and then I'll tell you why. Okay. So this actually for me looks like sort of like a chubby croissant. Alam mo, yung croissant. Ayan o, tingnan mo. Pinagtripan ata ng mga panadero to. Usually kasi ang pandasal, ganito itsura. Dito sa amin ha, sa Viluna. Yan, ganyan siya. Ay, si Precious tulog. Yan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Pero for some reason, ito, mukhang parang Spanish bread na croissant. Diba? Spanish bread, croissant look alike. Pag ito Spanish bread, mag-freak out ako. I don't eat Spanish bread. Hindi ko talaga nagustuhan yun. Ay, ko. Ito les? Ilan taon na ba? 2 years?
Ano 2 years?
3 years?
Si Papa mo, dalawa hindi ba? Si Kat at saka si ano?
No, si Wiz yun eh. Si Wiz.
Kaya nga, dalawa sila, di ba? Wiz at saka si Kat.
If you guys don't know, we had a cat named Wiz. It stands for whiskey. Ako nakaisip nun.
Whiskas?
Hindi. Di ba whiskas? Kasi yung cat food. Kaso, sabi ko, Wiz. Wiz. Paano naman kasi pag sabi, bakit Wiz? Kasi whiskas. Parang masyadong generic. Whiskey. Nakakita kong whiskey. Tapos, si Cassandra. Wala, napag-isip-isip ko. Napag-tanto-tanto ko.
Ano pangalan?
Ikaw nagpangalan, pero ako nag-isip ng ano. Ako.
Yun ang pinapakain ko sa kanya. Whiskas eh, kaya na lang.
Sige, bigyan na natin sa kanya yung corona. Lahat na bigyan natin sa kanya. Okay. Time for the truth. Pandesal ka ba? Spanish bread. Pandesal. Jan! Jan! Hi! 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 Jan! Don't show us your butthole! Come here! Jan! 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 Come here! Sometimes he shows his butthole to me. I don't know what it means. Can you tell me guys why? John! John! I'm using my whale voice. John! 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 Handshake? Handshake? Give me your paw. 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 I will shoot. Bang, bang. He doesn't know how to play that. Good. Fichi. This is what she looks like every single time. Fichi. Okay, there we go. I'm thinking of grooming her myself, like cutting the excess fur, excess hair. She has a very, very thick coat. I'm gonna shave her off. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I? Kasi feeling ko nahihirapan siya, hinihita siya sa ganyan. I need to refill her water bowl as soon as possible. Ayan. Kuya! 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 Seryoso, hindi mo ko papansinin? Kuya! 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 No, seriously. Every single time you see him on my vlog, there's like 99.9% chance that he's not wearing a shirt. Tell me if you are a regular viewer and you see my brother, you know 99.9% of the time he doesn't wear a shirt because it's hot in our house. Kahit sa labas naman eh, kaso it's not good for the eyes. So, and I put my hair in a high ponytail today just because people are looking at me in a weird way because I'm like talking in a camera. So what? Para lang ako nagsa-selfie, pero hindi ako nagsa-selfie. Usually ginagawa ko talaga to. Sa labas ng bahay namin, nag-vlog ako kasi mas maganda yung ilaw dito. Nakikita niyo yung pores ko. And you guys know now where I live, okay? Please do not stalk me. I'm not stalk-worthy. I'm not rich. I'm not... How do you say that? I don't know. Wala akong maisip. Wait lang. Oh my god! I just deleted one of the clips. No! Okay, basically I was just like showing you guys what the weather is like outside. I just deleted it by accident. Thankfully it's not like the first vlog. 3 years ago it was Bosai. 4 years ago no activities. Usually this time of the year talaga is like summer outing. I'm with Ayan Su. Ayan, I miss you. I miss you so much, girl. If you guys don't know Arian or Ayan Su, I call her Ayan Su. She's also a YouTuber, a blogger as well. Check out her channel Miney11 on YouTube. She posts a lot of tutorials and reviews as well. Same kami. We're done. Well, not really.